Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to be looking at Blackboard and what I'm going to be putting up in Blackboard and how to use it. Okay. So the first thing to go to Blackboard is to go to blackboard.itcarlo.ie and put in your student number, as you can see here as the username, and then the 6-digit PIN. So it has to be a 6-digit PIN that you set at registration. Okay. Now the recommended browser is Mozilla Firefox, which I'm not using here at the moment. Okay, so when you put your C number in, the password will come up. Basically, the C number will be something like that, and put in your password and then log in. Okay, so when you log in, there'll be basically, depending on how many courses you're doing. I'm doing a number of courses. Teaching number of courses. Up here, generally, where the courses will be. The course you'll be doing, K is the letter for Wicklow, X is for Wexford, and R is for Carlo. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the first one here, which is Wicklow. Normally, you will be just directed into this area here. So if you want to go to courses, the courses will be basically here. So the Wicklow courses page. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. Now I've color coded this for my own reference. So you can change these colors so that I can identify each course that I'm actually doing in Blackboard. Okay. So normally the home page will be like this. Make sure that you're actually in Institute of Technology Carlo. Some students of mine will try to get into Blackboard from other institutions, so be careful because the actual graphics and the interface, it looks very similar. I had the same with DIT when I was doing a course up there, so just be careful. It looks very, very similar, so make sure that you can see the Institute of Technology Carlo's logo. So this is the course. This is what will be down the left-hand side in this menu here. This is basically where you would have the menu. Any of the announcements that I will make will be basically through the announcement section here, and will come up on here. There'll be basically all the announcements that I will make there, and that'll be in the home page. And that will go to the users, so how many users I have, and that's generally the email address that you have registered with IT Carlo, which is your C number at itcarlo.ie. You want to change that, do that, but that's where the announcement will be going to. So in terms of Blackboard, that's what you have basically as the to do. What I have the alerts coming in. So that's the course that's registered. That's the course which I'm showing you here, which is the Wicklow course. It's exactly the same, the same course for all 3 campuses. Okay. So you have homepage. In here, I have here the course information, which is going to be the module descriptor, and then I have all the information that you need to know about the course will be added in here as I go through. So I have useful links, useful books, interesting, good reading listing here, use the website resources for both Ruby and WordPress, online brand creation, a personal profile which I want you to look at. This at the moment is empty, but that will fill with information and it's organizes, and this will go down through the course, so I'll be updating these more folders. So you basically click on these folders and basically open these according to what you want to do. So you can open that, basically you can open that, and it will open up. Now that won't open up for me because I'm in my own model. I have to go to the student model to see that. Then here I have the video tutorials. So I'm going to have all the video tutorials for Weebly, WordPress, social media, case study, the strategy tutorial, will be in there, all the way through. So all the video tutorials will be in here, and I'll have these open as soon as I have the Weebly and the WordPress available. The brief and schedule is in here. What I've given you, if I change anything on those, I'll upload a new version strategy template is in there. This is what you would use to open up and fill in your strategy document into this part. And then the case studies in here, and the mark these quite here. There's the instructions, so these are the instructions. This is basically a case study example. These are just examples, they're not to be used, but to use as a reference. And in here, basically, I have these are basically the case study templates to use. So you want to use those, and they're each one of case study 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they're all in there, and that's analyzing this and gives you an idea of what is a case study that's for your reference for the actual assignment. Okay? So that's very straightforward. What I want to put on here is very straightforward in terms of what you need and stuff that you don't need. These are basically going to be the lecture notes. Here, these aren't seen. You can't see these at the moment, and I'll be opening those all up. These are the two so far, so I want to look at those. And then assessments down here. I have nothing in there at the moment, and that's why I will put all the alternative assessments. And I will basically go through that with you down the line later on. Okay. So basically, that's what you really need to know for Blackboard. There's also loads of things in here to do with Student Hub, so the TCL Student Hub gives you information here about the resources to help you, etc. And there's Blackboard support as well in here. So there's a lot of things in here you can use to help you in Blackboard. So your version will have Student Hub rather than Staff.